If you want to change the install location in Epic Games, this tutorial will show you the quickest way to do it, step by step. Whether you're trying to save space on your main drive, keep your games organized, or move new installs to a faster SSD, this is a simple fix that can save you a lot of time. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy gaming tutorials just like this one. First, open the Epic Games launcher and head over to your library. This is where all of your installed and available games are listed. Now, to change the install location for a game, click Install on any game you want to download. A small window will pop up asking you where you want to install it. Here, click Browse. Once you click Browse, you can choose the new location on your computer. This could be a different drive, a new folder, or another storage location that you prefer. Select the folder you want to use, then click Install to confirm it. Epic Games will now use that location for the game you're installing. If you want to change the default install directory for future downloads, there's another method you can use as well. Go to your profile in the top corner of the Epic Games launcher, then click Settings. After that, look for the option that says Go to Download Settings. This is where Epic lets you manage download and installation preferences. Inside the download settings, you should be able to change the default install directory to the location you want. This is especially useful if you always want your games installed on the same drive without having to browse every single time. Once you set it, future game installs will follow that default path automatically. A quick tip here, if you already started an install in the wrong location, you may need to cancel it first and then restart the process using the new folder. That way, Epic Games can properly create the install files in the correct directory from the beginning. Also, make sure the drive you choose has enough free space before you begin, especially for large games. So just to recap, you can change the install location in Epic Games by starting an install, clicking Browse, selecting the new folder, and then installing the game there. Or, if you want a more permanent setup, go into Settings and change the default download directory from there. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.